I'm fortunate enough to have a friend who had a completely empty condo here in Manila. So he let me stay here. And because it's completely empty, I've had to purchase a few things to just for daily life. And this happened to me also when I was in Xishuangbanna. I ran into someone who was able to convince someone to rent their empty apartment to me, and I ended up buying much the same things and just left them there once I departed. So the first thing I did once I landed was I bought some spring water and toilet paper, bath tissue, and I think that was it for the first night. Came in really late at night, early in the morning, so no need for anything else for that first day. Next, most of these items I was able to purchase at SM supermarkets here in Manila, and Ace Hardware, I think, for maybe the chair that I'm sitting on, and the broom. So I have a butane stove, and that's for doing my coffee enemas and also my general cooking. I have sponges, and I also use these not only for cleaning the apartment, but also for my own personal hygiene. This is what I use to scrub. And plastic plate, fork, spoon, and a covered cup for me to mix my greens pack with my apple juice, and a pot, and detergent to wash my 5 white shirts on a regular basis, and towels for showering, also bleach as for cleaning the apartment, as well as the laundry, and butane cans of gas for the stove, paper towels, and hangers, so about a dozen hangers so I can keep my shirts looking a little less rumpled. And the broom, as I mentioned, that was Ace Hardware, and the chair as well. I'll put some prices either on the screen or in the description below, but that has been, and an extension cord. The particular layout of this apartment needed to run this in order to use my hair clipper. But that's it. That's my life now for the next week, and I don't anticipate that I'll buy anything else. Probably just some more paper towels, and possibly some dishwashing liquid. That's one thing that I forgot here. And then I'll get the adapter for the 110 to 220 volt conversion, and I'll be set. And then once I leave, all of this gets left behind for my friend. Maybe I'll take my plate with me. But that's what I've bought so far since I've been here for the last 3 days in Manila. Again, hope that's helpful. I tend to live a minimalist life. I need nothing more than this. I have some cushions that I sleep on, and that's how I'm traveling. So now I'm going to head out to Healthy Options Supermarket, buy some stuff, and then maybe when I come back, I'll share that with you. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope this was helpful. And again, thanks for watching. See you next time.